How to create and customize headings in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and go to Home. Select the text you want to edit. Then you'll find Headings in Home option. You can create a style, clear formatting, and apply styles. Simply select the one you want, and to edit the heading, simply right-click on the selected text. After you click on selected text, you'll find all these options pop up. From here, you can change color, change font style, change size, and everything. And that's how to create and customize headings in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.